Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a battery charging test between the iPhone 16 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 45 watt super fast charging support but no charge in the box, while on the other hand iPhone has a 4452 mAh battery size with a 20 watt super fast charging support. Once again, no charge in the box. On the back we have a glass. In the frame it is made up of titanium. Right now the battery percentage on both phones it is almost at 0%. No battery use on both phones, as you can see. So now let's quickly start the test. And one thing it is also really important is that, as always, and the battery charging speed will be depend on your environment temperature as well as your phone temperature. So right now the temperature in this room it is about only 28 degrees Celsius. So if you're charging your smartphone in higher temperature, and the result is going to be different obviously. And first, let me show the charger and the cables that you're getting with these two devices. In the box you only get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable with these two devices, and also I have the Apple official 20 watt super fast charger with me. Also we have USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, and here is a Samsung adapter, and this is a 45 watt super fast charger adapter we have with the Samsung S25 Ultra. If you want a 45 watt super fast charger you have to buy separately. So USB Type-C cable once again with the S25 Ultra 5G, and we have 0% batteries on both phones. Here is a power socket, and the power source it is also on. So now let's insert the charger into the power socket, and now let's quickly start the test. And also now let's calculate time on my Samsung Galaxy A72. So I will be using the A72 as a stopwatch. So now let's insert the cable one by one. Now let's insert the cables into the phones. First insert the iPhone and second insert the Samsung. And you can see in the battery charging indicator appearing on the screen on the iPhone, while Samsung it is still. Now the charging indicator also appearing on the Samsung as well, and Samsung it is at 1% as you can see. And now the iPhone is starting to boot up. Let's quickly boot the Samsung as well, and Samsung logo it is appearing on the screen as well. Let's wait for both phones anyways, and the phone it is on. So you can see, and on the iPhone we have only 1% battery as you can see. So, and also everything goes up in the background, and Samsung it is also on. Also on the Samsung we have 1% battery. Also it says super fast charging 2.0. So we are indeed using a 45 watt super fast charger with the Samsung. Now let's quickly turn off the Wi-Fi, and now I will be back at 15 minutes. Now let's see how much both of these two devices is charged in the first 15 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back and 15 minutes is complete. So now let's see the battery percentage after the 15 minutes. So the battery percentage on the iPhone, we only have a 20% battery on the iPhone as you can see, while Samsung with a 45 watt super fast charging on the Samsung we have 31% battery. So anyways, the Samsung it is much faster as compared to the iPhone even in the start. Now I will see you at 30 minutes. Now let's see how much this phone will charge overall in the 30 minutes mark. Okay guys, I'm back and 30 minutes now is complete. So let's see the battery percentage first on the Samsung this time. So on the Samsung we have 55% battery is charged in 30 minutes. Samsung is going really fast, which you expect from a 45 watt super fast charger. So now let's see the battery percentage on the iPhone. So the iPhone it is only at 39%. So 39% battery is charged only in 30 minutes. iPhone is going really slow because we have a 20 watt super fast charging support with the iPhone. I hope with the iPhone 17 Pro Max we at least should have a 35 watt. So now I will see you at 45 minutes, and 46 minutes is complete. So let's see the battery percentage on the iPhone. So the iPhone it is at 61%. So 61% battery is charged in 46 minutes, while the Samsung S25 Ultra as you can see it is at 80%. So 80% battery is charged in 46 minutes, which is really good. And now I will see you at 1 hour exact 60 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back and now 1 hour is complete. So now let's see the battery percentage on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So the iPhone it is at 76% as you can see. So 76% battery is charged in 1 hour 60 minutes. Now let's see the battery percentage on the Samsung. So Samsung it is at 91%. So 91% is done in 60 minutes because of the 45 watt super fast charging. So now I will see you when my Samsung S25 Ultra is gonna hit 100%. So let's see how much time is required after 1 hour and 1 minute. While on the other hand, iPhone will take a lot more time than the Samsung obviously. Okay guys, I'm back and my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is hit 100%. As you can see, 100% fully charged in 1 hour and 17 minutes. So now let's see the battery percentage on the iPhone. So the iPhone it is still at 85%, under 90%. So now I will see you when my iPhone 16 Pro Max is gonna hit 100%. So let's see how much time is required after 1 hour and 17 minutes. 16 Pro Max is hit 100% fully charged in 2 hours and 3 minutes, and this won't take a lot of time as compared to the Samsung S25 Ultra, which is expected of course. So all I have to say regarding the battery charging speed, I hope with the next iPhone 17 Pro Max we should at least have a 35 watt, while on the other hand Samsung it is really fast, but Samsung is still giving us a 45 watt. From the last 4 years Samsung needs to give us a 65 watt now with the upcoming S26 Ultra. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this battery charging test between the iPhone 16 Pro Max versus the Samsung S25 Ultra 5G. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.